Hey everybody, welcome back to Cooking with Corey. This week on Cooking with Corey, Greek lamb chops. That's next. Wait for the deliciousness. Hey, you can see my neighbor over there. He's doing some yard work. That's Brett. He's a good neighbor. Alright, lamb chops next on Cooking with Corey. Alright, here's our list of ingredients today. We got some delicious lamb right here. It says it's lamb roast. We're going to cut that into chops. And we're going to do our delicious Greek with that. So we got garlic, we got shallot, we got lemons. We got some delicious extra virgin olive oil. Back here we got some oregano, dried, yes. Back here, I'm going to do grilled vegetables with it, and potatoes. So we got some potatoes and a medley of grilled vegetables. We got some peppers, we got some zucchini, and we got a jalapeno. We're going to show you how I do some grilled vegetables and all that other stuff. All right, Greek lamb chops next on Cooking with Corey. All right, here we got it. Our like a rack of lamb roast right there. Look at it. Beautiful. See these bones right here, right here. We're gonna take our knife and we're gonna go right through those. So you want to take your blade on your knife. We're gonna go down like so. Like so, and like so. All right, it's going to produce some delicious lamb chops. Just take your boning knife and whatever and just trim it out like that, and then you end up with these wonderful little chops like so. Beautiful little lamb chops. As you can see, we got 4 out of this. This one's a little scrawny, but they're nice. I will actually clean up a little bit of the fat along the side here, and I will do that to all of them. And let's get going next. All right, let's get cracking on our marinade, our Greek marinade for our lamb chops. It's gonna be freaking delicious. So let's start out with 1 cup of extra virgin olive oil. Make sure you're buying the good stuff for this. I mean, you don't have to, but it does make a difference. It's got a nice fruitier flavor. All right. We're probably around a cup there. All right. Oregano. And I'm using dried because as far as oregano goes, I think you get a better pop out of dry oregano than you do fresh. So 1 tablespoon. 2 tablespoons. I apologize because it's windy out here. Don't forget, I wash my hands. Impeccably clean hands, by the way. Garlic, which I chopped. 2 tablespoons of garlic. Shallot, which I chopped. 2 tablespoons of shallot will go into the mix. And, obviously, we need some lemon. So, the juice of 1 lemon will go in here. Here's 1/2. Keep your hand over here like this. Try to catch the pips if you got any pips. Usually when I do a video like this, there's a pip that flows out and I'm like, oh crap. Anyway, just try to do your best. All right, juice of 1 lemon into our mixture there. And we need salt and pepper. 1, 2 good gloves of salt and pepper go in there. I did have them mixed together. Give it a stir. Oh yeah. Alright, let's marinate some lamb chops next. Got our chops out here. And don't forget, do not throw away this cat meat off of that lamb rib. That's beautiful meat right there. Keep it, marinate it, throw it on there, eat it separately, or however you do use that as a Scooby snack. Anyway, our delicious looking lamb chops right there. Our delicious Greek marinade is right here. We're gonna give it a stir. We're not gonna use all this because we want to save a little to dress it up at the end. We're gonna use 3/4 of it. We'll go over our lamb like so. And you're gonna let this marinate 4 hours, 4 to 8. I wouldn't do it for 24 because these are little chops, but 48 hours, 4 to 8. All right. let's show you how I do some grilled vegetables. Okay, let's get started on our grilled vegetables. I got some zucchini, some little small peppers here, and a jalapeno to begin with, and I will show you how I do a potato also. But to start with here, extra virgin olive oil. Use your one hand, impeccably clean hand. Get that all over all of your vegetables, like so. Looking good. Your other hand, kosher salt and fresh cracked pepper, which I got combined over here, like so. Get them all around. A lot of this is gonna fall off when you got this on your kettle or your grill, whatever. Just make sure you get a good coating on there, and that's a good start right there. Let's show you how to do a perfect potato on the kettle next. All right, same rules apply here. We got potatoes. You know, you can wrap them in foil, but you're basically just steaming your potato. You might as well get some deliciousness out of the skin. Here comes some wind, and I'm sorry. But anyway, olive oil. Get it all over your potatoes. Get on there good. Obviously, you're using one hand to do this, and your other hand to season. These are washed russets, bakers, so get them all covered with your oil. And then you come in with your kosher salt, get it all around like so. Don't be shy, because you know it's not going to be penetrating that much. And you know, you want a delicious skin on your potato. It's actually the only nutrients you get other nutrients, but all right. Let's fire up that Weber kettle next. Let's get these lamb chops going. Let's get this cooked. Let's get it plated. Today we will be using a vortex sent to me by Lee from Smoking Bears. Thank you, Lee. Much appreciated. First time we're going to give it a go. Thanks for the nice vortex, Lee. Much appreciated. Okay, we are back. We gave our bakers a good 45-minute to an hour start. We got our vortex going on in here. So all our heat's right here in the middle. Around is all residual heat. But let's get going on with our vegetables. I do want to get some color on these right off the bat, so I will throw these over the heat, over the vortex. I'll tell you what, that vortex is hot. This thing was running around 450, so it is hot. It is going. All right, we're gonna give those vegetables a little head start. I want to get some sear on those, and then we'll move them to the side, and then we will sear our lamb chops. All right, so we'll get a nice sear over the vortex there. Side note, when you have great neighbors, you get fresh made baguette. My neighbor Ben, right over here to my right, fresh baguette. Look at that. Made it himself. Looks wonderful. He makes cutting boards and stuff too. If I remember, I'll try to put them down in the description. Anyway, sear, sear, sear. All right, just move these to the side. And then we will sear our lamb chops. All right, we're searing hot in the middle on our vortex here. Our grilled vegetables. There's a jalapeno. I don't know if you can see it. Looking delicious. Our potatoes, which I already showed you, looking delicious. Right there is our heat. This is why we're using the vortex today. Is these lamb chops don't need a lot of time, but they do need some high, fast heat. So 1, 2, 3. And then over here, 4. All right. Flame is gonna kiss them, and we're just gonna let this go for, I don't know, 30 seconds or so, and then we'll see where we're at. Alright, our vortex is ripping. We got these grill marks there. We'll put him over here. Put him over here. Put him over here like this. And him, we will put over here. Alright, so push him down a little bit. Get some marks on him. We'll be back. Alright, we're cooking on. And let's see where we're at on our grill marks wise. Look at that. Deliciousness. Boom. Turn them all over. It's going to take much longer. In fact, we're going to give that 30 seconds. We're going to take them off the grill and we're going to plate. Alright, time to plate this deliciousness up. I mean, we got our baked potato or our Weber grilled potato. We got our delicious smoked / grilled vegetables. Let's get those all on there. Move that up there. Looking good. Oh, yummy. Yummy, 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 yummy. Alright. Oh, forgot our jalapeno. Have our jalapeno in there. Put it right there. Anyway, the star of our show is our lamb chops. 1, 2, 3, 4 lamb chops. I know it looks like a lot, but I'll tell you what, it's not really that bad. Alright, so a little more of our sauce over the top, like so. That'll go with our grilled veg. That will meld into our delicious baked potato. There you got it. Lamb chops. Look at those delicious lamb chops. Alright, let's bite into one. Let's take this sucker right here. Oh my lord. You guys definitely need to try this. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe to Cooking with Corey on YouTube. Give this a shot. It's delicious. We'll see you next week.